What if the oil you choose could decide how long your engine survives? In 2026, synthetic motor oils are more advanced than ever, offering better protection, cleaner engines, and longer oil change intervals. Today we're counting down the top 5 best synthetic oils of 2026, and the number 1 choice might surprise you. Let's begin. Number 5. Valvoline. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a product that has built a strong reputation for delivering excellent engine protection and long-term reliability. Valvoline is one of the oldest and most trusted oil brands in the automotive industry, and this synthetic formula continues that legacy with modern technology designed for today's demanding engines. One of the most impressive features of Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is its exceptional wear protection. According to industry testing, this oil is formulated to provide stronger protection against engine wear compared to many conventional motor oils. Inside your engine, hundreds of metal components move thousands of times per minute. Without proper lubrication, those parts would quickly wear out. Valvoline's advanced additives help create a protective barrier that keeps engine parts working smoothly. Another strength of this oil is its excellent sludge and deposit protection. Over time, engines can accumulate sludge caused by heat, oxidation, and contaminants. Sludge buildup can restrict oil flow and reduce engine efficiency. Valvoline's formula helps prevent these harmful deposits from forming, keeping the engine cleaner and operating more efficiently. Drivers also appreciate the oil's strong temperature stability. Whether the engine is starting on a cold winter morning or running hot during summer traffic, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic maintains proper viscosity to ensure consistent lubrication. The oil is also compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including modern turbocharged engines and direct injection systems. These engines often place additional stress on motor oil, so having a formula designed to handle that stress is extremely important. Another advantage is affordability. Compared to some premium synthetic oils, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic often offers excellent performance at a slightly lower price point. This balance between quality and cost makes it very appealing to everyday drivers. For drivers who want strong protection, reliable performance, and good overall value, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil easily earns its place at number 4 on this list. Number 4. Mobil 1. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, one of the most recognizable and widely used synthetic oils in the world. For decades, Mobil 1 has been associated with high performance, reliability, and advanced lubrication technology. Many major automotive manufacturers even recommend Mobil 1 as a factory fill oil for their vehicles. One of the main reasons Mobil 1 is so popular is its exceptional engine protection. The oil is engineered with advanced synthetic base stocks and high-quality additives that help reduce wear, friction, and heat inside the engine. This protection becomes especially important in high-performance engines that operate under intense stress. Another standout feature is excellent temperature performance. Mobil 1 flows extremely well in cold temperatures, helping the engine start smoothly during winter conditions. At the same time, it maintains stability in extremely hot environments, preventing breakdown and maintaining lubrication when the engine reaches high operating temperatures. Mobil 1 is also known for its long oil change intervals. Many versions of Mobil 1 are designed to last longer than conventional oils while maintaining strong protection throughout the entire interval. This can help drivers reduce the frequency of oil changes while still protecting their engines. The oil also helps keep engines clean by preventing harmful deposits and sludge buildup. Cleaner engines typically perform better and can last longer, which is why deposit control is such an important feature of modern motor oils. Another impressive factor is that Mobil 1 is used in professional motorsports, including endurance racing and high-performance testing environments. This real-world testing helps engineers refine the formula for maximum protection and reliability. Because of its trusted reputation, advanced technology, and proven performance, Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil earns the number 2 spot on our list. Number 3. Castrol Edge. Castrol Edge Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a product well known among car enthusiasts and professional mechanics for its strong engine protection and advanced performance. Modern engines operate under extremely high pressure and heat, especially in turbocharged and high-performance vehicles. Castrol Edge is designed specifically to handle these extreme conditions while keeping the engine running smoothly and efficiently. One of the biggest reasons drivers choose Castrol Edge is its fluid titanium technology, which helps the oil become stronger under pressure. When your engine is working hard, such as during highway driving, towing, or aggressive acceleration, the oil film inside the engine components must remain strong to prevent metal-to-metal contact. Castrol's formula helps reduce friction and wear even when the engine is under heavy stress. Another advantage of Castrol Edge is its excellent high-temperature stability. Many synthetic oils begin to break down when engines run very hot, but this oil is designed to maintain its protective layer for longer periods. This makes it a popular choice for drivers who live in hotter climates or frequently drive long distances. Fuel efficiency is another benefit. By reducing friction inside the engine, the oil helps the engine operate more smoothly, which can improve fuel economy slightly over time. While it may not drastically change your gas mileage, every small improvement adds up in the long run. Castrol Edge is also widely compatible with many vehicles from manufacturers like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Ford, meeting several industry performance standards. That means drivers can trust that the oil meets strict requirements for engine protection. Overall, Castrol Edge earns the number 5 spot because it delivers strong protection, proven reliability, and consistent performance. For drivers who want a dependable synthetic oil without stepping into the most expensive options, this oil remains a solid and trusted choice. Number 2. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a premium engine oil that stands out for its unique formulation and impressive cleaning performance. What makes this oil different from many others is its base oil technology derived from natural gas instead of crude oil, which helps create an extremely pure synthetic base. This purity plays a major role in engine protection and cleanliness. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is designed to keep pistons significantly cleaner than industry standards. In modern engines, carbon deposits can build up on pistons and other internal components over time. These deposits can reduce efficiency, affect performance, and even shorten engine life. By keeping these parts cleaner, the oil helps maintain the engine's performance for longer. Another major advantage is excellent wear protection. The advanced additive package helps protect critical engine components such as camshafts, bearings, and timing chains from friction and heat. In high-performance engines or vehicles that frequently drive at higher speeds, this extra protection can make a noticeable difference. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum also performs extremely well in extreme temperatures. It flows smoothly during cold starts, allowing the oil to quickly reach vital engine components. Cold starts are one of the most stressful moments for an engine, so having oil that circulates quickly can significantly reduce wear. In addition, the oil is designed to improve fuel efficiency by reducing internal friction. When the engine runs more smoothly, it requires slightly less energy to operate, which can translate into better mileage over time. The oil also meets or exceeds many manufacturer requirements, making it compatible with a wide variety of modern vehicles, including those from brands like Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge. Because of its outstanding cleaning power, advanced formulation, and excellent performance across different driving conditions, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil confidently takes the number 3 spot on our list. Number 1. Royal Purple High Performance. Royal Purple High Performance is a premium full synthetic engine oil designed for drivers who demand maximum performance, durability, and long-term engine protection. Known for its advanced formulation and high-quality base oils, Royal Purple has built a strong reputation in both everyday driving and high-performance automotive applications. This engine oil is formulated using a blend of premium synthetic base oils combined with advanced additive technology. This combination helps deliver excellent oxidation stability, meaning the oil resists breakdown even under extreme temperatures and heavy engine loads. As a result, it maintains consistent viscosity, which is crucial for reducing engine wear and ensuring smooth operation over time. One of the standout features of Royal Purple High Performance Oil is its superior cleaning ability. It contains powerful detergents that actively remove sludge, varnish, and deposits from engine components. This not only keeps the engine cleaner but also improves efficiency and overall performance. A cleaner engine runs cooler, produces more power, and experiences less internal friction. Another advantage of Castrol Edge is its excellent high-temperature stability. Many synthetic oils begin to break down when engines run very hot, but this oil is designed to maintain its protective layer for longer periods. This makes it a popular choice for drivers who live in hotter climates or frequently drive long distances. Fuel efficiency is another benefit. By reducing friction inside the engine, the oil helps the engine operate more smoothly, which can improve fuel economy slightly over time. While it may not drastically change your gas mileage, every small improvement adds up in the long run. Castrol Edge is also widely compatible with many vehicles from manufacturers has like established BMW, a strong presence through sponsorships Audi, and partnerships, Ford, showcasing the performance of its products standards under extreme conditions. That means drivers can trust that the not only boosts brand visibility but also allows continuous testing and improvement of its formulations. Castrol Edge earns the number 5 spot because it delivers strong protection, stands out as a proven reliability brand and combines advanced technology, high-quality ingredients, for drivers who want a dependable synthetic oil without stepping into the most daily driving or high-performance applications. Remains a solid and trusted choice. It is widely regarded as a reliable choice for maintaining engine health, improving efficiency, and ensuring long-term durability.